As you're watching this, I guess your computer is running with an issue here. As you're trying to open a program you have recently installed, this error arrived. The program can start because api-ms-win-core-path-l1-1-1.dll is missing from your computer, or the code execution cannot proceed. That file name is missing from your computer. These are the exact same problem and it has a same solution as well. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Evolution. In this very short video, I'll be fixing this error. Before we start, let me thank you for your amazing support in my previous video. So consider subscribing to this channel if the video helps you. So enough with the intro, let's get started. The first solution is to download the DLL and place it. In order to move the DLL, you need to first open your favorite browser and go to Google and search for the missing file name. You can choose any result you want. In this case, I'll be choosing the first one. This video is not sponsored, but I'll put the link in the description. Here you can see few download options based on the computer architecture and version. If you don't know your computer architecture and version, click on Start and search for system information. Here you can see mine is a 64-bit PC. As I am 64-bit user, so I'll be downloading the first one. I strongly recommend you to read this page. It has other fixing methods also. As the download complete, hit open. Inside the downloaded zip, we can see the DLL file in it. In order to move the DLL, you need to first open this PC, then local disk C, then Windows, and find a folder named System32. This is the home of 32-bit DLL files. There it is. Then click on the downloaded zip, drag the DLL, and drop. And click on Continue to give administrator access. Before we go ahead, let's check if the file is placed. By typing the entire file name, you can see the file is placed in 32-bit folder. So job is done for 32-bit users. You can go and restart your computer. This is the in-short method of this whole process. This is only applicable if you are a 64-bit user. You need to open this PC one more time. Then local disk C, Windows, and find a folder named syswow64. This is the home of 64-bit DLL files. Then click on the downloaded zip, drag the DLL, and drop. And click on Continue to give administrator access. Check this one more time. Yeah, we can see the file is placed in 64-bit folder as well. And job is done. And finally, restart your computer. This is the in-short method of this process. If your computer is different, in some case the problem still occurs. You need to go to Google and search for the file name. Scroll down until you find the Microsoft support forum. Here it is. Then let's open this. Okay, this is the thread. If you scroll down, you can see the other fixing method also. This is by Microsoft website, so you can trust them. I hope you don't have to do this. And that's all. If you follow me step by step, you no longer have that problem set. Consider giving me super thanks if you want my first reply. Let me know if you have any questions, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Hey, why don't you watch my other videos? Thank you for watching.